Okay, well, we jumped off the deep end and have decided we're going to DIY remodel an old camper. So, what's it look like? This is a 1979 Ideal travel trailer. They were built in Idaho, and really the models from the 50s, 60s, 70s, they all look basically the same. So double axle on it. This one's a 22 footer. It's in rough shape. Didn't pay a whole lot for it, but here, let's look inside. Kind of rough, huh? There's electrical just kind of tapped in there. Windows are in pretty rough shape here as well. Somebody must have got upset and got shot at by a BB gun. The only things living here for the last little while have been some wasp. Hello in there. Yeah, so you can see. Pretty rough shape. Tires in pretty good shape, but don't look too close at what's holding the tires on the lug nuts. Don't think there's two that match anywhere. Window unit, it does work. Back around the back. Yeah, windows in pretty tough shape. This is an outside view looking in at the restroom. We'll go in there in just a moment. In the back, oh yeah, thanks for pointing that out. We're missing a few lights along the way, but they're on this side, so that's good news. So, this one has sustained quite a bit of hail damage as well. I don't know if this is going to really show up or not, but hail damage is pretty bad. You really kind of see it up there as well. Speaking of damage, I don't know if at one time this had a awning and they forgot to roll it back in, but damage all along the top end of this as well. Okay, so now we're going to walk in to this 1979 Ideal travel trailer. Lots of storage. Heat lamp if it gets a little cold. So here it is. No refrigerator with it. Don't know if the heater down here works. Runs on propane. Refrigerator, stove, oven as well. AC runs on AC. Cool looking green colors to it. Kind of tough in here. Let's look on this other side. I don't know if this is actually original. I wouldn't be surprised. Route 66, that to me kind of seems original for this. I think that painting's probably original as well. We've got some electrical stuff going on up here. We didn't worry about hiding anything. We just drilled holes in it. And I think this is the DIY build your own bedroom. I don't know. Again, pretty tough on the electrical side of things. Just kind of comes up here and runs up under here, full length. So you can already tell this is going to be a project. And for us, not just a project, it's more than a project because we've never done this before. Never even owned a camper or travel trailer. There's some water damage that we've identified. And here's the bathroom, restroom, lavatory. There's damage on the walls there, so those think will have to be replaced. Shower rods, curtain rods in good shape, so maybe we can salvage that. Kind of cool looking lavatory there. And I have no idea about that. So there you go. It's the 1979 Ideal Travel Trailer, do it yourself, and this is episode 1, so we'll keep you up to date on how things go, and I'm sure there'll be a lot of mistakes along the way. All right, see you next time.